In the old Canvas Gradebook, instructors had the option to mute assignments while they worked on their grading. When the new Canvas Gradebook was released in January of 2020, the Mute Assignments utility was replaced with the Grade Posting Policy utility. Operationally, the two utilities work about the same. Instructors who want to hide grades from the class while they work on their grading must now change the assignment's grade posting policy. You do this by clicking the three dots at the top of the assignments column in your gradebook. Click Grade Posting Policy to change this policy. By default, all assignment grades are posted automatically. This means that students can see their grades as you enter them. By changing the policy to manually, students will not see their grades until you post them. This gives you time to work through your grading and release everyone's grades at once. Notice that after you change this utility, the word manual appears at the top of the gradebook column. This is meant to remind you that students cannot see their grades until you post them. After you've entered your grades, post them by clicking the three dots again and navigating down to Post Grades. You have the option to keep your grades hidden, to post them for everyone, or to release only those who have been graded. Once you say Post, students are notified that their grades have been posted. You also have the option to switch your entire gradebook to a manual posting policy, so you don't have to do assignment by assignment. To do this, navigate to the gear icon to open your settings, then click the Grade Posting Policy tab. Switch your entire gradebook by switching from automatically post grades to manually post grades. When you update this, all of your assignments are now manual and you must release each assignment. It can be tedious to change each assignment's grade posting policy if you know you want to do this for all of your students' grades throughout the semester.